Teddy perm down here. Listen at this wind. Coming in from the pipes. Well, he ain't even got it all the way round. He don't have it screwed down. Mr. John say don't do it. See, they put new holes in, because there was the hole right there. He put new screws in right here. He got 1, 2 screws on this side in the back. 1 on here in the front. No more down here. No more on this side. See, the original pipe had 2 screws right here. Listen at the wind coming in. How can I stay warm when they won't fix the furnace? See what I'm saying? Listen at the wind coming in, cooling off my house. Get 'em, God, get 'em.